Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today our word of the day is bacteria. It's a B2 level noun, meaning tiny organisms, some harmful. Bacteria are extremely small, single-celled life forms. Some can cause disease while others are helpful. They are found everywhere in soil, water, and even in our bodies. Some synonyms for bacteria include microbes, germs, and microorganisms. For example, scientists study microbes in laboratories, or be sure to wash your hands to avoid getting germs, and the food was contaminated by microorganisms. Antonyms for bacteria are things that are not microscopic or cause disease, so we can think of terms like good health, sterility, or purity as examples, as in achieving good health requires maintaining a balanced lifestyle, or the surgical room was ensured to have sterility, and the spring water was bottled with an assurance of purity. In everyday life, we might hear about gut bacteria, bacterial infections, or antibiotics targeting bacteria. For example, the doctor said my sore throat was caused by bacteria, or probiotics help maintain good gut bacteria, and we need to keep our house clean to avoid the growth of bacteria. You might hear someone say, wash your hands to kill bacteria, or this yogurt contains beneficial bacteria. To sum up, bacteria are tiny single-celled organisms. Some are harmful, some are not. Other terms we use are microbes, germs, and microorganisms, whereas antonyms include sterility, purity, and good health, and we use the word often in relation to health and cleanliness. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoy our show, please subscribe and leave a review. It really helps others discover our podcast. Don't forget to write a sentence of your own using bacteria and share it in the comments below.